Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. If you're getting the network error code 0x800704f8 in Windows 11 24H2, don't worry. I'll walk you through a quick and effective way to fix it. If this helps you, please like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Let's get started. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. In the Run box, type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. Navigate to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Network, then Landman Workstation. In the right pane, double-click Enable Insecure Guest Logons. Select Enabled, then click Apply and OK. Step 2. Use Local Security Policy settings, press Start, and search for Local Security Policy. Click on it to open. Now go to Local Policies, then Security Options. Find the following two settings and disable them both. Microsoft Network Client. Digitally signed communications, always. Microsoft Network Client. Digitally signed communications, if server agrees. For each one, right-click, then Properties, then select Disabled, then click Apply and OK. Close all windows, restart your PC, and your 0x800704f8 network error should now be resolved. And that's it. If this fix worked for you, smash that like button and subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot for more fast tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.